Hi, if you want to figure out which fraction is greater, I'll show you the super easy way to do it. All you have to do is to cross multiply. So we're going to multiply 7 and 4, and then we're going to multiply 3 and 9. 9 times 3 is 27, and 7 times 4 is 28. When you multiply, you have to make sure you always keep the answer on the side of the top number you multiplied. Now let's compare. 27 is smaller than 28, so we can say that the fraction 3/7 is smaller than 4/9. Now let's take a look at the next example. Next problem is 3/4 and 4/5. Let's compare the two fractions. So we're going to cross multiply. We're going to multiply 3 and 5, and then we're going to multiply 4 and 4. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 4 times 4 is 16. Now let's compare the numbers. 15 is smaller than 16, so we can say that 3/4 is smaller than 4/5. Now let's take a look at another problem. We have 2/8 and 1/4. Let's compare these two fractions. So we're going to cross multiply. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 1 is 8. Well, we have got 8 on both sides. So 8 is equal to 8, so we can say that these two fractions are equal. Now let's jump into the next problem. The next problem we have is 5/6 and 2/3. Let's compare these two fractions. So we're going to multiply 5 and 3. Let's start with cross multiplying. And then we're going to multiply 2 and 6. 3 times 5 is 15, and 6 times 2 is 12. Let's compare 15 and 12. 15 is greater than 12, so we can say that 5/6 is greater than 2/3.
That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe the channel for more math videos.